Good morning, folks. Mud Grip Mike here. I'm cooking breakfast this morning. Thinking about the new dim ticket, Harris/Walls. Pretty good. Cackler and the Cuddly Man. Well, we already know she's proved it time and again that she can't do her job. And all I know about him, and I won't hear this on CBS, but he was in full support of the rioters while he let Minneapolis in his state burn. You ought to see the destruction in that place. And he's put tampons in the boys' bathrooms from grades 4 through 12. He's a good thing. He liked that idea. And give all those illegals from Somalia and anywhere else driver's license, so they'll have a picture ID in case they have to produce it to vote. So he's on a roll. So folks, and all y'all can say about Trump is that he does mean tweets. Well, get your tiny little feelings out of your butt and vote for progress, a decent checkbook, and a decent wage, low crime, the border, anti-abortion. There's no guarantee that Kamala is going to be the dim-tard nominee. She thinks she is. She went from being Montel Williams' main squeeze girlfriend to Vice President of the United States. Megyn Kelly said it best. She sucked her way to the top. They haven't had their convention yet to actually nominate her, but that seems to be the way it's going. And of course the mainstream media is all behind her. Before she was incompetent, the DEI hire, now she's going to save us all. It's getting interesting. Be happy, we will make America great again. Thanks for watching.